The future of food security is a pressing issue. With a growing global population, we must find sustainable ways to produce nutritious food. Traditional livestock farming methods are increasingly strained. They contribute to environmental damage, including deforestation and greenhouse gas emissions. What if the answer to this dilemma lies in an unexpected source? Python meat. Python meat, while unconventional, presents a compelling case for sustainable food production. Pythons are efficient converters of feed into protein. They require less land and water than traditional livestock. This makes them a potentially environmentally friendly option, especially as the world grapples with climate change and resource scarcity. The idea of consuming python might seem jarring to many. However, snake meat is already consumed in various cultures worldwide. Its lean, subtly sweet flavor profile lends itself to diverse culinary preparations. As we confront the limitations of conventional food sources, we must be open to exploring novel and sustainable alternatives. Traditional livestock farming practices, particularly cattle ranching, are major contributors to deforestation. Vast tracts of land are cleared for grazing, often resulting in habitat loss and biodiversity decline. Python farming, in contrast, requires significantly less land. Pythons can be raised in controlled environments, minimizing their impact on natural ecosystems. Water consumption is another critical factor in sustainable food production. Cattle require massive amounts of water for drinking and feed crop irrigation. Python farming, on the other hand, demands far less water. This is especially relevant in regions facing water scarcity, where python farming could offer a more resilient food source. Greenhouse gas emissions from livestock, primarily methane, contribute significantly to climate change. Python farming, with its reduced land and water footprint, generates lower greenhouse gas emissions compared to traditional livestock. This makes python meat a potentially more climate-friendly protein source. Python meat is a nutritionally rich protein source. It is low in fat and cholesterol, making it a healthy alternative to red meat. Python meat is also a good source of essential amino acids, necessary for muscle growth and repair. Furthermore, python meat is rich in iron, a vital mineral for oxygen transport and energy production. It also contains significant amounts of zinc, which plays a crucial role in immune function and wound healing. The nutritional profile of python meat makes it a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Incorporating python meat into our diets could offer numerous health benefits. Its lean protein content can support weight management and reduce the risk of chronic diseases associated with high saturated fat intake. The rich mineral content of python meat can contribute to overall well-being and vitality. Python farming is an emerging industry with practices that vary globally. In some regions, pythons are raised in controlled environments, such as indoor facilities. This allows for close monitoring of their health and welfare while minimizing environmental impact. Other python farming practices involve semi-wild environments where pythons are raised in enclosed outdoor areas. This approach mimics their natural habitat to some extent while allowing for controlled breeding and harvesting. Regardless of the specific farming method, ethical considerations are paramount. Ensuring the humane treatment of pythons throughout their life cycle is crucial for the sustainability and ethical viability of this industry. Python meat possesses a unique culinary appeal. It has a lean texture and a delicate, subtly sweet flavor. Unlike the gaminess often associated with wild game, python meat offers a clean taste that lends itself well to various culinary applications. Python meat can be prepared in numerous ways. It can be grilled, roasted, stir-fried, or used in stews and curries. Its versatility allows chefs to experiment with different flavors and cuisines, creating innovative and enticing dishes. The growing popularity of exotic meats in culinary circles has paved the way for python meat to gain traction. Its unique flavor profile and lean texture make it an intriguing option for adventurous diners seeking novel culinary experiences. The future of python meat as a sustainable food option hinges on several factors. Firstly, overcoming cultural aversions to consuming snake meat is crucial. Educating consumers about the nutritional and environmental benefits of python meat can help shift perceptions. Secondly, ongoing research is needed to fully understand the environmental impacts of python farming. While initial assessments suggest its potential for sustainability, comprehensive studies are necessary to optimize farming practices and minimize any negative effects. The future of food demands innovative and sustainable solutions. Python meat, with its nutritional value and potential for environmentally friendly production, presents a compelling option. As we navigate the challenges of food security and environmental sustainability, embracing unconventional food sources may be key to securing a healthier and more sustainable future.